welcome back. Welcome back. Continuing on from what I was saying before, here we got a tourer from Queensland wearing nothing but his scrappy old shoes and a sack of something on the back, which looks like a dead body with a head sticking out or something. And here we have a line of Pussycat. Oh, more Queenslanders. Don't tell me he's with you. Don't tell me he's with the other guy. Gee, these Queenslanders. What are they doing down here? Don't they know it's cold? They're in for a shock, I tell you. Alright, it's all open now. Let's do it. There it is. It was all open. And he took it. He took the tourists. He took the tourists and he parked them. Parked them on the side. Oh, where are we now? Oh, Bass Strait. Oh, that's the Bass Strait, is it? Oh, it's not the town. Nice. Alright. Oh, you should see the way I hooked up these cameras. And I've got the partner on the back. Oh, that's what I haven't explained to you. I've got to explain that to you. So, if you look at my bike here, I've got two phones mounted. One's my partner on the back. So the one on the left on the mirror is partner on the back's phone, right? I've got two quad locks. So I've got one quad lock. And what's a quad lock? Well, look it up. It's a mounting device for your bike and stuff. I did the commercial. If you look at the commercial for quad lock, yeah, that's me. That's me. Yep. Yeah. Have you seen the commercial with me and me doing the quad lock? Look at this, Kimmy. You know, look at me, Kimmy. That was me in the black GSA doing the commie. And so what I got is a quad lock on the handlebar and a quad lock on the mirror bar. Right. So on the mirror bar, I've got her phone, just charging at the moment. And is it charged? No, not yet. I'll leave that charging. Mine was charging before, so you don't need two charging cables, just alternate one to the other, you know. And mine's on the handlebar. Now, just wait and see what this car's doing there, crossing my path like that. Oh, jeez. Alright, so now, she's listening to her music, you see. If you can see here, she's listening to, who's this? Something Roger. And I'm doing the GoPro stuff, so she can chillax, you know, while I just cruise the streets, you know, and have a bit of fun and stretch my legs. Oh, stretch my dick. Oh, far out. Oh, good stretch. Okay. Alright. Now, doing 60. Is she still there? Yeah, she didn't fall off. Good. Alright, she's still there. That's good. And she's hugging me now. Okay, that's distracting, but that's nice. That's nice. Yes, that's nice. Oh, that's what I wanted to talk about. Now, you Intercom folk. Oh, I think we're nearly there. Hey, you Intercom folk, check this out, right? This, I reckon this is a better system. Instead of spending like $400 on a bloody intercom, yeah. Instead of spending that on an intercom, it's probably 400 each, right? It's like one for each helmet, right? So like $800. I've got a better deal for you. This is what you do. Okay, Apple. Go to the Apple store. Get yourself a pair of Beats X headphones. Beats, like a beat, but many of them, X headphones, right? Get yourself a pair of Beats X headphones, and then using the earbuds supplied, fit the headphone bud that fits into your ear, that plugs your ear, right? There'll be one of those buds. You'll be able to squish one of those buds into your ear. Might be a bit tight, but if you just squish it in slowly, your ear will expand, or the bud will squash, right? And it'll plug your ear, okay? So now you got Bose quality sound plugged into the ears, and because these Beats are so tiny, when you put on your helmet, no problem. It doesn't interfere with the headphones. All right. So you do that, and you get yourself a pair of those each, right? And you put the mic bit in the cheek. Just put the helmet on, and then just slide the mic bit to your cheek, so it's sitting on the soft part of your cheek between your helmet and your cheek. And then all you do, I'll show you. You call up, right? Call each other. So I'll call her now. And because I've got this, oh, here we go. So I've got them both mounted here. I can control it, so I can accept hers, right? And then I put her headphones on. There you go. And now I'm talking to her. Can you hear me? How about now? Ah, okay, so yeah, I can hear you. Oh, good. Yeah, so we just need to express a bit more. You can't mumble. Yeah, you just got to speak clearly, that's all. Okay. Alright, later. We'll fix up later. Alright. Bye. Yeah, so there you go. Anyway, if that's all you do. I just got to work out where the best place for the mic is, that's all. That's it. It's done. You know? There's no wires, nothing. And these Beats X, the charge on them lasts 8 hours. Like if you're using it full on. They'll easily go for a day or two if you're just using them randomly, the Beats X. But she can listen to her music, so I've got to play her music again. There you go, her music's playing. I can listen to my music. If I see something I want to chat to her, I can call her. It's right here. And I didn't have to spend a stupid amount of money and then spend fucking, oops, I beg your pardon, family show, and spend ages installing the device on my helmet and pulling out my inserts and getting all the ear bits in, and then then you sell your helmet, and then you got to take that out, and then you got to get it's just so messy. These Beats X little headphones, I tell you, freaking genius. Call me a bloody genius, seriously. Because you know what, you should, because I haven't seen anyone use these Beats X, and I think I'm the only one that keeps using them. I see people still buying the expensive helmet stuff. It's a thing of the past, you know. Back when there was no headphone like this, yeah, you'd need to install that stuff in your helmet, you know, and spend quite a bit doing it and all that sort of stuff, and yeah. But now with these micro headphones that they make that have got Bose quality sound, forget it. All those helmets, devices, they're going down. Those companies are going to go bust. So if you got any shares in them, forget it. Get rid of it. It's going to go bust. These micro headphones kicking ass. Alright, our place is here. We'll catch you later, eh? I think it's there. No, not there. Oh, there? Oh, there. Yeah, she knows. Jeez, better than me. Totally lost I am. Okay, there it is. Okay, so let's turn around, see if I still got my legs. Yeah, legs are fine. Of course they are. I'm on a GSA. You don't lose your legs in a GSA. So I'm standing up before too. Alright, let's go in here. Oh, you're going in there too? Oh, shit, mate. You were blocking the path, weren't you? Anyway, we'll go on the grass because we're GSA, eh? Yeah, right. Hang on, I'll show you how we got it set up. Hey. I'll help the Majesty off the horse. There you go, Majesty's off the horse. Hug time. Oh, good. And there's the see the two phones, and she's got I'll show you how it's set up. Hang on. So she's got the Beats X in her ears, and it just goes, so it just goes around her neck. There's a back bit here, so it's just one big rope plugged into her ears, and then you shove the mic into the padding, and that's it. Bob's your uncle. There you go.